Hello everyone, good afternoon. So today is our day 2 of the CVGS Farmers Enablers program here in Port Harcourt, and so far we've learned so much. We've learned so much, and I just want to share some tips with you all. So whenever we talk about agriculture, some persons will feel like they're talking about farmers. Agriculture has several value chains that you can fit in. The industry is so big that there is always room for everybody to come in. You must not necessarily be a farmer, like you must not necessarily go and be the one to plant or go into the production aspect. You can come into it as either a sales representative or you're into processing. So now let's talk about cassava, because here in Rivers State we are known to produce a whole lot of cassava. Now we have the farmers that produce cassava. Now after producing the cassava, after cultivating cassava, the next thing for it to even be useful to us, it will go through a process called the processing, right? So you can even come in as a processor, like you buy from farmers and then you go into the processing industry. You can turn the cassava into starch, you can turn them into gari, you can turn them into flour. So these are areas that you can come in. Everybody must not go to farm to go and plant. I know that's the aspect that most persons are scared of. Now let's even talk about the aspect of sales. We also have our Nigerian foods that are very important to people and Nigerians that are based abroad. So if you have any channels that you can export this produce to the UK, to the US, you see that you make a whole lot of money. So the agricultural sector is a broad sector, and I believe that if you join the agricultural sector, you're going to be happy with yourself, you're going to be proud of yourself. So this is me just sharing some tips from our training today, and I believe this will help someone out there to really think about joining the agricultural sector. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one.